Hi, welcome to 13214 Presada in beautiful Saratoga, and I'm here to give you a tour of this great property. I want to show you this front yard. It looks really nice, beautifully landscaped. We've got mature trees and this lawn here. You just walk out here, beautiful dark bark. Look at the home. Looks great, doesn't it? So some sad news here is that we already accepted an offer. We had two preemptive, very strong offers in this particular property. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath property. But we are still accepting backup offers. So please come on by, and you're welcome to take a look. So let me flip the camera right now. So here we are. We have a beautiful doorway, a little portico here. And this home is really nice. It's a traditional layout. So you have a lot of nice crown molding work, original floors here, and nice tray ceiling. And it has been lovingly lived in and remodeled. This is the formal dining area. Isn't this nice? You can imagine having a nice Thanksgiving here. And the nice thing about these homes, unlike those open floor plans, is that it doesn't echo too much. So if you have a loud family and party, it's a little bit soundproof. So this is the entry over here, and this is the living area. Isn't that nice? So they have bookshelves, beadboard, fireplace. This is gas. Recessed lighting. It's nicely, tastefully remodeled over here. And it's a single-story home, and this owner has lived here. They've lived here for over 33 years. They raised a boy and girl twin, just like my twins. So they just decided it's time to move out and start a new life. And but look at this remodel is beautiful. They did a nice job with the skylight. A lot of natural light coming in. Nice granite island here. Garage. It's a 2-car garage, but look, they've completely renovated it. Look at that nice textured surface. And so you can make this as an exercise room or an office, storage room, and this leads out to the backyard. We're back in the kitchen. Plenty of pantry space right here. This is the nice living area. Wow. We had our first open house. I have to say that I had to stop filming because I had a big swarm of people waiting to come in the property. So let me continue this tour. This tree is really nice because there's a sliding glass door over here from the master bedroom. This is a nice area where you can fold your laundry. Love that. Okay, so this is the first bedroom. A lot of natural light. Second bedroom. Down this hallway. This is closet space. I hope you enjoyed the tour as much as I did. And so we have one more day of from 1 to 4 of open house of this, and we are accepting backup offers. But boy, this is a very popular home, and you can see why. All right, take care and have a nice day. Bye-bye.